Welcome to Ipanema. This condominium set in the heart of Cala de Mijas is an absolute icon in this area. The way the name Ipanema actually comes originally from the Brazilian term, which also is why they have integrated this fantastic artwork into the stonework, as you can see here. The greens on the actual buildings themselves not just reflect the Brazilian originality, but they also meld well with the ambience of the Cala de Mijas golf course. Right, come with me and let's go inside this wonderful apartment. So the first thing that strikes you as you walk in is this incredible open living space, which includes the kitchen and the lounge area. As you can see, we have this Morelli kitchen, which has a fantastic porcelain countertop. All of the appliances are Bosch, which are high-end, and it leads us straight into this wonderful lounge area. And as you can see, we have these fantastic views from the terrace just as soon as you walk in. We also have the extra little touches that the current owner has added to it, which are the soundproof wall, which is put in place. And we have this lovely large dining table with its chairs and its fantastic matching table covers. As we continue, we can carry out onto this fantastic terrace. A lovely space for you to be able to sit down, enjoy your glass of wine and some food, and then on a wonderful afternoon. As you can see, we have this fantastic panoramic view of mountains, golf and the sea. All that which you can soak in and enjoy right in the heart of this Cala de Mijas gem. As we come in from the terrace, we come through the lounge in this open space, and here we have a wash area. We have one bedroom. We have the guest bathroom, which is large and spacious. It also has amazing lighting. And this leads us into our main ensuite bedroom. Both of these bedrooms lead straight onto the terrace, so as you can see, you can appreciate these fantastic views. Another large bedroom, as we've mentioned. It's spacious, comfortable, and even from your bed you can see the Gulf, the sea, and still appreciate a large part of this panoramic treasure. As we exit the master bedroom, we come up this very spacious upstairs, and this will lead us straight up onto this fantastic solarium. An extra 30 plus square meters of space to again enjoy this fantastic view. All set up for electricity, water, and even a television connection. So you wouldn't even have to go downstairs. You can stay up here the entire day, soaking in the joys of the Costa del Sol. And of course, in Ipanema, this condominium also contains this fantastic amenities. If we come through this door, we have this fully equipped gym, which is set up with its techno gym, top of the range. And as we come around the side, we also have the spa, which includes its indoor pool and hydro massage, Turkish sauna and Swedish sauna. Very well prepared. If you'd like to know more, reach out via the link below and let's arrange an online meeting.